Welcome. This video will calm your mind and help you learn English. I'll speak slowly, use simple words, and you'll see subtitles so you can follow and repeat. If you want better English and a clearer mind, stay with me. What if everything you believe is keeping you from seeing the truth? Watch until the end. I'll give you one simple practice you can use today to think more clearly. There was once a small village tucked high in the mountains, where clouds moved like slow rivers and mornings smelled of wet earth and pine. In that village lived a Zen master who walked quietly, spoke softly, and carried no possessions but a small wooden bowl. People traveled for days to sit with him, leaving behind city noise and the hurry of their lives. One spring morning, a scholar arrived. He wore fine robes and carried heavy books. He had studied many things: history, law, poetry, and he loved to show his knowledge. When he found the master, he bowed and said in a proud voice, "I have read every important book. I know many answers. Teach me the way of Zen." The master invited him into a simple hut. He set 2 cups on a low wooden table and began to pour tea. Steam curled up like a white thread. The tea filled the scholar's cup quickly. Still the master poured. Tea spilled over the rim, ran down the cup's sides and fell onto the table. The scholar watched in shock. "Stop!" he cried. "The cup is full. No more can go in." The master smiled and gently set the teapot down. "Your cup is full," he said, "and so is your mind." The scholar's face tightened. "But I am learned. I have facts and arguments. How can I learn anything more if my mind is empty?" The master's eyes were kind but steady. Knowledge is not the same as wisdom. Knowledge fills the cup with words and reasons. Wisdom needs space to sit. When your cup is full of your own beliefs, new things cannot enter. You will pour more words into the world and call it truth, but truth cannot enter unless you make room. The scholar sat in silence. Outside, a sparrow landed and pecked at a crumb. He looked at his own hands, which trembled with the habit of holding tight. For the first time he felt how often he held on, tight to opinions, to pride, to the need to be right. Days passed. He returned each morning and watched the master pour tea. Slowly, he learned to set his books down and listen. He noticed the shape of a stone, the sound of wind in bamboo, the slow way the master tied his straw sandals. Little by little, the scholar felt his chest loosen. Space opened in his mind like a window pushed wide. New thoughts came, not louder, but deeper. Questions he had never thought to ask entered him. One evening, under a pale moon, the scholar bowed deeply and said, "I see now. Wisdom is not more fact. It is the ability to receive what is true, even if it changes you." The master nodded. "Empty your cup, and the world will pour itself into you." Short practice, one-line action. For viewers, right now, take one deep breath, let your shoulders drop, and put your phone away for 5 minutes. Try to listen without judging. This small act is the first step to emptying your cup. Repeat after me slowly. Empty my cup. I will listen. If you like this story and want more simple English plus deep lessons, like the video and subscribe.